Well, we have cold wind and rain, and Poco was afraid to go in his shed, but I fed a couple of the other burros on the other side of that shelter, so now he's in there eating his hay. You can't really see him because he's on the other side of Florencia and her mother. So this is probably the first time in his life that he didn't have to stand out in the cold rain in 11 years or so. We also found out that a couple of dogs, including a pit bull that attacks burros, were out in the wildlife refuge area right where he used to live last week. And when they ran away from home, and when the owners recovered them, one had broken teeth and appeared to have a broken jaw, perhaps. So my friend that lives down there thinks that there's a very good chance that had Poco still been there, that he would have been killed by those dogs last week. So fate and timing is everything, I guess. I'm really glad we got him here when we did.